making some autumn bangles for the website. All of the supplies are available on www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and I'm going to use these adjustable bangles. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of this, but I thought I'd play around with it. We've got some double split rings because they're more secure for the bangles. I've got some like an autumnal mix of glass pearl beads. These are 6mm. I was thinking of the orange beads possibly. I've got these gorgeous leaf charms, and these are in gold, silver, bronze and rose gold, so they're very nice. And so we've got a squirrel, acorn, double acorn, pine cone, there's a leaf. I'm going to open the bangle. And I'm going to actually put, I think, on the bottom, let's have a look what one looks like. This is a special opener for these to save your nails. I pop that on there, it opens it up slightly there for me to pop the charm on. See, I've attached them. Okay, which one are we going to use? Okay, put this one in here. I find it easier just to use my hands. So that one. Just take some of these. Aren't they pretty? And they're 3D, so they're the same both sides. So we've got the pine cone, squirrel. What shall we do next? I think I'm going to add a rose gold. Open these up. There's a rose gold. I think I'm going to add a gold one as well to this. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of jewellery tutorials available. Just going to take some head pins. And I just want to see. This one. There's 3 different colours there. Okay, I have got a tutorial on how you make loops, which I'll link here for you, but we want about 1 centimetre. We snip. We need round nose needle pliers. Thought I didn't have these then. And then what you do, you take make sure you can't feel anything there, and then you twist around, and again. There we go. So we've got one of those as well. Okay, so I think we'll put the squirrel on first, then the bronze pine cone, the dangle, gold leaf, acorn charms, and then the rose gold leaf. There we go. Just close this together. There's that one. And I've actually gone ahead and put some more together. Squirrel, dangle. I have used an orange glass bead, this leaf, rose gold, and a single acorn. And I've gone ahead and opened up this one. So I think we'll put the large leaf, the orange glass bead dangle, squirrel, dangle, acorn, and then that one. So quick to make. There we go. So that's 2 bracelets. So there's that one. And there's this one I've done. There. How quick is that to do? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.